Hey everybody, and welcome back to my first video for Simply Easy. Today we're making my easy crock-pot goulash. Just learned how to make this, so it was really fun to make. I use about 2.5 to 3 cups of the elbow noodles, and I just went to my local grocery store and picked up these tomato sauces and diced canned tomatoes, and also the small yellow onion, and also the almost 2 pounds ground beef. I also like to use the seasonings, Italian seasonings, pepper, and salt. Oh, and also I can't forget the minced garlic that I also use with the burgers. So for this, I cook the burgers first on medium to high heat. And we like to cook the burgers first just to kind of get that nice chopped up hamburger. It gives it a lot of texture, and it also cooks the meat thoroughly. I also like to season my meat before I put it in with the crock pot. Just my preference, my family's preference, I like to put salt and pepper in the meat first. This is a step that you can definitely skip, but I just do it because I feel like it gives the meat a little bit more taste. Once the meat is brown, I like to add in the garlic first. I just take a little scoop from the jar from my knife, and then I chopped up 3/4 of that onion, and you want to put the onion in and stir it up until the onions are a little bit see-through and no longer white or yellow. And this is kind of what it's supposed to look like after a little bit of cooking. This was only after about 5 minutes of cooking, so it's not cooked all the way through, but I just wanted to show you the progress of what I had. So after we have all the meat and everything cooked, we want to add the meat into the crock pot first. And after we add the meat and the onions into the crock pot, we also want to add 3 cups of water. And I already pre-measured out 3 cups of water beforehand, so that's why I'm using a mason jar. And then you also want to add your 2 cans of tomato sauce and your 2 cans of diced tomatoes. Oop, kind of splattered a little bit there. Learned my lesson. Then I stir that up just to kind of mix everything together. Then I like to add in the spices before I put the noodles in. So I put a little bit of, not a little bit, but Italian seasoning over the top, so it coats a little bit of the top. And then the pepper and salt to taste. You can definitely use seasoning salt as well. I've heard that it is very good. My family personally doesn't like seasoning salt, but I love seasoning salt. Then I stir that up, and I like to add my noodles. And today I added 3 cups of noodles because there was more water in the diced tomatoes than I expected. So then you stir it up there a little bit to get all the noodles mixed so they can cook thoroughly. And then you want to put your crock pot on high for 1 hour and cover it. And just leave this, come back in an hour and give it a good stir. And if your noodles aren't cooked all the way through, that's okay. So this is about an hour and my noodles weren't cooked all the way through, so I just gave it a little bit of stir so we could have all the bottom noodles go to the top and the top noodles go to the bottom, so we can cook all those noodles through. But it looks so delicious, and my family loved dinner. And there you go, crock pot goulash.